Hey beauties! Are you ready to learn how to contour and highlight your base perfectly? Let's get started by creating contour lines with a dark shade of concealer and a brush tail as a guide. Applying it along the hairline, the jawline, and other hollows of the face. Contouring the bridge and sides of the nose for a slimmer look. And of course, on the crease line to create a smaller lip illusion. She is definitely bringing her A game to this whole process, and it will look amazing. Amazing! Doing the same process around the mouth area to create a fuller lip illusion. Using a dark brown lip liner to contour the lips too. So interesting, am I right? Adding more details and lines to the contour so that every facial detail is defined. Going in with a darker shade underneath the previously applied contour. Time to highlight the remaining high points of the face to add more brightness. Doesn't her face just look like a piece of art? A contour masterpiece. Starting the blending process now. Using a small blending brush first to smooth out the lines, and then a beauty sponge. Continuing with bronzer. Adding powder to set and mattify the base as well as brighten. Finishing the beautiful look with a lip hue. So, what did you think about Merv's base procedure? Stunning, right?